everyone, welcome to Roger Journal. My name is Alice. I'm so happy to have you back in my December journal video. I finished my December journal. It is nice and chunky that I have all filled up with Daphne's diary cutouts, my digital printable, and other random things. So I just wanted to share a look at the completed journal. I made it out of a Starbucks cup like I did last year. Let me show you that one too. This is my last year December journal. The cover designs are different and I added a little bit of blue color this year, but they were made the same way. I have a tutorial video, there will be a link below. And I did a flip through video last year as well. Check the video if you're interested. You watched me doing the inside cover in the tutorial video. I just added my writing. This is the first page. I love this illustration from Daphne's diary so much, so I didn't want to cover it at all, so all I did was doing this Hello Winter die cut. I shared journaling this page in the second December journaling video, and this page too, the same video. And I shared this page last week. I love this page. This calligraph title and the postage stamp are from my digital kit. And I glued this snow pattern in the background. Actually, do you remember the little Daphne Sire booklet that I was using last week? Where this page was in? This is the back cover, which I used here too. This sticker was on a gift I got, and the cutest pony is at the corner. I love this page. It's simple and it has bright blue and white color. I don't know, I think it has kind of fairy tale-ish look. So the next page was shared in the first December journaling video. All the videos I mentioned, there will be links below. This page is the middle. I added 2 tags from my digital kit and backed this photo with wood grain paper. Then I added music paper to give more vintage feel, and there's little snowman sticker. And the next page, I made a tuck spot with a journal card, and it has 2 tags from my digital kit. And I added a little paper strip here to stamp the date. And this photo, a round box full of bubbles, is from a catalog that I had. Then I added a label. I shared the process of this page in the first December journaling video, and this page in the second video. This is vintage linen from my digital kit. It was very busy, so I didn't want to add much on this page. So what I did was adding this title and a calendar card marked the date. And I made this little tab and I put a super cute gift stickers on the both sides. So this page is simple. I just added this like a title. It is from the same box with this pocket. Then I did writing. And this page has little tuck spot. I stamped the date, but accidentally I did upside down. But why not? It's not a big deal. And in my defense, in France, the day comes before the month. So it's the day, month, and year. So yeah, that's what happened. And in the tuck spot, I put 2 cards. This is from Carta Bella Christmas collection, and this is from my digital printable. In the background, I made a little banner up here and a big snowflake sticker. Then more tiny stickers. They are red because the cards have red colors. And I finished it with a snowman to bring more blue in the background. This is the last page which I did in the last week's video. As I told in the video, I haven't filled this paper because I wanna leave it for the December 31st. So yeah, that was my completed December journal. I love that all the random things are mingling together. Well, that's the beauty of junk journal, I think. So I hope you enjoyed the flip through. This is the last video this year. I am so grateful to spend this year with you. I can appreciate now for your support and love. I wish you are having a great holiday season. I'll see you in my next video. Happy New Year! Bye bye!